So I get to fix this right here where there's a bend in the metal. So it goes back that way and comes back over. So you can tell my 2x4. See, got about an inch to move in, inch and a half. It's better. Okay. So that's what I'm going to work on now. So here you see I start and stop and start and stop and start and stop a lot. My breaker kept tripping on my Lincoln welder here. And I thought maybe it was because I was near the end of the spool of wire. You'll see me change the spool of wire. And it was not the problem. It kept on tripping the breaker. It was very frustrating that day. And I ended up replacing the ground wire lead, and that solved the problem. But that was an ordeal in itself, just getting the correct wire and what I wanted. And but we got the problem resolved eventually. So this is going to be the end of the video. Just a little rainstorm that we had. It was a rainy spring. And thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something from my trial and errors.